And a widow walks to you and tells you that she has lost her land to people because of fraud involving even public officials. And this poor widow cried, the people who have developed their countries, all these things we admire. My dear sister Hina, the systems work here, I agree with you. These people are not from us, they're human beings that just agreed to get stuff done, get your work done. That's all. They're not from us. Just that they know 2 and 2 is 4. That's all. They will not import rice when their rice farmers are rising their stores. They know our low level of political accountability is worrying. And look, as one politician in this country said, don't agonize, organize.
That's right.
So, let's not agonize. Let's not spend all our time describing our problems. Let's spend a lot of it looking for solutions and organizing ourselves on how we're going to move forward. I never end any remarks these days without saying this. Like you, I have incredible faith in my country. There is nothing wrong with Kenya. Our country is great and God has blessed us in a wonderful country. As I have proved before in public service, even here from this podium, I can give you names of over 50 public servants I worked with before. Because when I arrived in any department, I asked the people, first of all, I asked my boss, the president, because you are the one who has asked for votes from Kenyans, so the covenant is between you and Kenyans. I am your program officer. What do you want me to do when I get there? He tells me, like in the case of the Ministry of Education, this thing about the examination cheating is going to destroy us as a country. We have a problem with learning content, figure out how we can resolve the problem, and so on. So, I tell you both, mimi mtu wa kazi, tomorrow tumeanza. And every time you go there, you meet wonderful people. That's when I work very closely with the late, my brother, Professor Magoa. And all these things. When you sit down, you are brilliant. I mean, we are spoiled for choice. It's shocking that we are performing the way we are in some cases. Smart people who have got solutions. I call in the leaders of the secondary school sales association. I shake hands with them. We sit down, work on solutions. And people have suggestions. All they need is trust. That they trust you as a leader, that what you are telling them is going to work. That you don't tell them today, enjoy it tomorrow, or alternatively, you tell them we are running a free system that is working, but you are the one receiving bribes at night. It doesn't work that way. Because you have to walk the talk, live your word, and nothing beats exemplary leadership. Because people will believe your actions more than they will believe your words, as it were. So, my dear friends, I believe we have a great country. And I can tell you this without fear of contradiction or any doubt or hesitation. We will build our country. We need to pull ourselves together. We will resolve the challenges we have. We will fix them. And we will move forward. We are a resilient country.